Hi, Mr. Wennis. This is Benjamin Sims. I will be performing insertion sort. How insertion sort works is that you start from the beginning or the end. In this case, we are starting in the beginning. You also start with the second card rather than the first one. How the insertion sort works is that you need to check the card you're currently on with the card previous to it. If the current card you're on, which is the Seven of Hearts, we check with the previous card, which is Five of Clubs. If the card I'm currently on is smaller than the previous card, we switch them. In this case, we don't. So we move on to the next one, as if my hand is the cursor. We're moving it around. So we moved on to the next one. This is Seven of Clubs, which is the same as Seven of Hearts. We don't have to worry about the type, we're just worrying about the number, which in this case is 7 and 7, which means we don't switch. Then we move on to 4. 4 is smaller than 7, so we switch it. Now our cursor is back on this. We remember this is our current spot, but we're going back because we have to check. 4 is smaller than 7, so we switch it. And again, 4 is smaller than 5. And then it goes as follows for the rest, but here we go. So now I'm on 7, which we go over, and now it's 10. 10 is bigger than 7, we don't switch. Move on. 2 is smaller than 10, so we switch it. 2 is smaller than 7, we switch. Smaller than 7, we switch. Smaller than 5, we switch. Smaller than 4, we switch. Okay, so now we go back. 10 was our first card we switched. Now we go over to 5. So 5 is smaller than 10, so switch, switch, switch. Now here's the case. These two are the exact same. Just like with the 7s, we don't switch them. It doesn't matter the order. If we were doing it in a different way where we would have a type involved, then it would matter depending on how the order goes. But in this case, it's just numbers, so it doesn't matter. So 5 is the same as 5. Again, 7 is the same as 7. So we move back to 6 now. 6 is smaller than 10. 6 is smaller than 7, but it's bigger than 5. So we leave it there. Now for the last two. 8 is smaller than 10, so we move it. But 8 is bigger than 7, so we keep it here. And then 10 again. This is a sorted insertion sort. Thank you for watching.